Hello student, in this video we will solve the numericals. So the numerical is a stone is thrown vertically upward direction with the velocity of 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meter per second square in downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? Means we have to calculate the distance covered. Height attained means distance covered and time taken to reach there. So what is given here? Acceleration is given. Acceleration is equal to 10 meter per second square. It is minus 10 meter per second square because the stone is thrown vertically upward and due to gravity it will move downward. Now what is given? Initial velocity denoted by u is given 5 meter per second. Now we have to calculate the height attained. So height attained means height attained is equal to the distance traveled, that is s, and distance traveled is denoted by s, and we have to calculate the distance traveled here and the time taken to reach that point. Now final velocity, remember it, the final velocity at the highest point, that is v is equal to 0. Always the height attained by the particle, the final velocity of the particle at the highest point is always 0, that is v is equal to 0. Now we have to calculate the distance traveled by the particle. So for this we will use this formula, this distance formula, that is b square minus u square is equal to 2as, and s is equal to, from here s is equal to b square minus u square upon 2a. So s is equal to 0 minus v is equal to 0. What's the value of this v? That is 0 and minus u square. So the value of u is 5 meter per second square. Now 0 minus 5 square, it means this is equal to minus 5 5 is 25 upon 10 to the 20. Acceleration is equal to minus 10. So it is 10 to the 20. Minus with minus cancel, we get 5 upon 4, and 5 upon 4 is equal to, after dividing this, 1.25 meters. Again we have to calculate the time taken to reach that point. So we will use here, using this formula, v is equal to u plus at. So what is v? V is equal to 0, u is equal to 5, this is given. Acceleration is also given, that is 10 and into t. So this is equal to 0 is equal to 5 minus 10t. So 10t we can write 10t is equal to 5. Therefore t is equal to 5 upon 10, and this is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So this is equal to 10 by 2. For 2 5s are 10. So it is 0.5 second. Now another question, this is the question from the exercise. So question is, numerical is, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter. Here a circular track is given and the diameter of the track is 200 meters. The diameter of the track is 200 meter in 40 seconds. Means here diameter is given and the athlete complete one round around this track in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So what is given here? The diameter of the circular track is given, that is diameter, this is diameter, the diameter of the circular track is equal to 200 meters. Now time taken to complete one round, this is also given, that is 40 seconds. This is given in the statement. Now time to complete this round, total time is given, total time is 2 minute 20 second. So first of all we have to convert this minute into second, that is 2 into, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 2 into 60 plus 20 second, 20 is already in seconds, so this is 120 plus 20, 140 second. This is a total time. So from here we can calculate the number of the round completed. So here, because total time is there, that is one total time to complete this one round is here, that is 140 upon time taken to complete one round. Total time is there and the time taken to complete one round is this. So number of round can be calculated here, and that is equal to 3.5. 0 with 0 cancel, 2 2s are 2 7s are 7 by 2, and that is equal to 3.5. Now what we have to calculate, what will be the distance covered and the displacement. We have to calculate distance covered and displacement. Distance and displacement. So distance covered is equal to, now we know the number of rounds, so number of rounds are 3.5. now length of this circle is, that is its circumference, that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r multiplied by 3.5, that is 2 multiply 22 by 7 multiply 100 and multiply 3.5. After solving this we get 2200 meters. Distance covered is in meters. Now displacement. Now what is the displacement? What do you mean by displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance. So shortest distance, suppose the athletes start moving from here, so moving from here and he completes 3.5 rounds, but that is the distance covered. But if we see what is the displacement, so that is the shortest distance, means athlete will move from A to B. So AB is equal to 200 meter, because the diameter of the circle is 200 meters. So we have calculated the distance covered as well as the displacement of the particle.